Students often ask me, can they print on a blended fabric in the dirty pot? And the simple answer is yes, but it does depend on what the fabric composition is as to the success of the pieces. For example, if the fabric is a blend of protein based fiber. So if it is wool and silk or wool and cashmere, that will print beautifully because it's all protein based and you have one way of preparing it to achieve the best type of prints and color. Equally, if you have a cellulose based fabric, for example, a blend of cotton and bamboo, that's cellulose based, it's prepared in one way, and again, that will eco print very successfully. The issue comes when you have a fabric that is a blend of a protein base, such as silk, and a cellulose base, such as bamboo. So if there was a silk and bamboo blend, that is never ever going to print as successfully without traditional powdered mordants as an individual fiber or fabric will. And the reason for this is that we need to prepare the protein-based fabrics and the cellulose-based fabrics slightly differently when we are working in the dirty pot so that they will absorb the best color and prints from our vegetation. And because the two fabrics need to be prepared differently, there is always going to be a compromise if you have a blend of protein and cellulose fabrics together. So my recommendation is, if you want to work with a blended fabric, protein and protein is perfect, cellulose and cellulose is perfect, but don't mix the two together unless you are happy that the results will not be as good.